Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will explore product-level settings in PrintGizmo and how to use them effectively. To start, go to the Products section on your navigation panel, select a product, and click the Action drop-down and choose Settings. In the General tab, you can enable Quick Design, mark a product as promotional, add promotional text and badges, and enable the visual price calculator so customers see options like size and quantity as images. You can also set reward points, skip the additional info page for faster checkout, and choose where customers go when they reorder. Additional features include allowing free shipping, enabling dynamic help templates, and even letting customers download print-ready files before purchase. Under the Quantity tab, you can set default quantities, intervals, and restrictions. For products like t-shirts, you can enable multiple quantity input so customers can order different sizes in one go. The Upload tab lets you manage how artwork is uploaded, including proofing options, previews, and multiple file uploads. In the Product Label Personalization tab, you can change field labels for individual products on the storefront. Pricing tab includes setup costs, minimum price rules, hire a designer charges, and real-time pricing tables for transparency. That is a quick look at the key product settings. For more details, contact our support gurus through live chat on your PrintGizmo dashboard. Thanks for watching.